It's been a year now since the pandemic forced students to leave the classroom and learn online. In that time, equitable distance learning has become a major focus for families and school districts. I spoke to one local nonprofit working to shine a light on the issues we're still facing and ensure every student gets a quality education. Did you know, in San Diego County, 100,000 students don't have basic access to the internet? The average student could fall behind 7 months academically, but that loss could be even more for Black and Latinx kids. 1/3 of parents and caregivers say they could use additional support with distance learning like tutoring.
So we've seen parents take on and caregivers take on a role that they've never had before.
Erin Hoagboom is the director of San Diego for Every Child, a nonprofit dedicated to reducing child poverty. But they're also part of the Equitable Distance Learning Task Force and put together a whole report on the topic with the San Diego County Office of Education and Classroom of the Future Foundation.
Schools have done a wonderful job of getting devices out, but we still have an issue with connectivity across our county.
Which means even if a school has sent home a device with a student, getting online remains a challenge. Hoagboom says the report also showed parents and caregivers need help and students need support outside of academics.
The social and emotional support components that so many students are going to need moving back. Again, even once schools open.
Hoagboom says the pandemic has only magnified the struggles so many students face. That's why San Diego for Every Child and other organizations are focusing on making sure things like tutoring, reliable connectivity, and even basic equipment are available for every family.
As a community, we need to make sure that those same resources are accessible by anybody, no matter their income bracket or level.
San Diego for Every Child is accepting donations to help more families have reliable internet access or get tutors. There is a link on our page, 10news.com.